Treating the pain of occlusal interference is simple. Center the jaw and allow the muscles to release. This is not a forced position. It is where the jaw joint would naturally go if the teeth would let it. This is not easy because every time the patient closes their mouth to bite or swallow, the teeth pull the jaw joint out of the socket, causing muscles to cramp even more. The Best Bite Discluder addresses the pain for what it is, a biomechanical problem. The patented design of the Best Bite Discluder incorporates a universal discluding element that adapts easily to the patient's upper front teeth using our custom liner material. The contact area of the lower incisor teeth on the Best Bite Discluder is on average 3.5 inches from the center of the jaw joints. The angle of the glenoid fossa is typically no less than 25 degrees. The patented 8-degree angle on the Best Bite Discluder will gently facilitate the condyle's upward and backward movement to a centered position. The Best Bite Discluder always works. If it takes the pain away, then the doctor and patient can feel confident that the bite is part of the problem. If it does not take the pain away, the bite is probably not the source of the pain. By helping to determine who should or should not be treated, Best Bite helps to ensure a successful result. The Best Bite Discluder is part of a proven system to help treat pain caused by occlusal interference, unlike other methodologies like drugs or dental tension suppression systems that only mask symptoms. The Best Bite Discluder helps any head, neck, and facial pain doctor to determine if the patient's bite is the cause of their pain. By providing immediate pain relief, the Best Bite Discluder allows the doctor and the patient to confidently proceed with safe and effective bite treatment. The Best Bite Discluder can also be used between visits to manage discomfort. The Best Bite Discluder is totally reversible. When being used correctly, there is no risk of damaging the teeth or the jaw joint. The Best Bite Discluder, easy to use, rapid results, safe and effective.